Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target beauty box unboxing for the month of April. I actually have two boxes this month. I have the beauty box and the Au Naturel box. If you guys don't know, Target beauty box is $7 a month. Sometimes they bring it down to $5. I don't know why they do that. So yeah, it's either $5 or $7 a month. Free shipping, totally worth it. Love it. Let's go. Okay. This is the April showers. April showers bring my flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? For the rainy day products you need, which are sure to help weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Okay. First, we have some toothpaste, because you need toothpaste on a rainy day. This is the Crest 3 White toothpaste. You need deodorant on a rainy day too, because who wants to stink? This is the Degree Ultra Clear Black and White Dry Spray Deodorant. Okay. This is the Dove Dry Shampoo. Volume and fullness. What is this? What is this? What is this? I don't know. I don't think I've tried this kind before. I have tried the regular Dove. Oh, it's upstairs. But not the volume and fullness dry shampoo. So, excited to try that. Okay, the rest are foil packets. That's great. First is the Bedhead Tiggy. This is After Party. It says After Party smoothing cream. Castor oil seed smooths hair and imparts shine, while anti-frizz properties help block out humidity, keeping your dew silky and full of life. I don't know if this is enough for my dew because I got a pretty thick dew. Next is from Bliss. This is the Incredipeel. That's Incredipeel. It's a spa strength glycolic. Oh, they're like little pads. Spa strength glycolic resurfacing pads to smooth and brighten. All right, and the last thing is from Soap and Glory. This is the Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. Ooh, I'll definitely use those. So that's everything that's in the beauty box for the month of April. You know, this one, I mean, toothpaste, deodorant, dry shampoo. I mean, you know, it's not one of their best boxes. Yeah. Okay. Au Naturel box. No doubt natural products have found their spot on the beauty shelf, but snagging eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet friendly, not so easy. Thankfully, we scrubbed, brushed, and masked to curate good for you finds that make going Au Naturel a breeze and won't break the bank. All right, first thing, okay. I love this box already. First thing I'm seeing is this amazing hand cream from Love Beauty and Planet. This is a coconut water and mimosa flower hand cream. I've talked about this company and this particular scent so many times. I recently got this hand cream. I have 2 of them and now I have 3 of them. I want to like stock up because this is an amazing hand cream. It smells amazing. It's super moisturizing. I have eczema on my hands and it doesn't make my skin burn. It's really hard for me to find a hand cream that doesn't make my skin burn, but this stuff doesn't do it, guys. Oh, okay, upside down. Nope, it was right side up. Oh man, there it is. I also have, oh, blurry. I also have the Shea Butter and Sandalwood hand cream and I love it. Okay, this is a great box so far. Oh shit, what'd I drop? If you guys have been wondering where I've been, because I've kind of been MIA on this channel, I have been focusing like all of my time on my Poshmark closet. If you guys don't know, Poshmark is an app where you can sell things on it. I am like a full-time reseller now and it's so much fun. I love it. I'll link my Poshmark closet down below if you guys are interested. Moving on, this is the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm No Rinse Conditioner for towel dry hair. No rinse conditioner. To get the best from your Good Stuff, lather up with our sulfate-free shampoo, skip the rinse-off conditioner. Start with a quarter-size amount, spread onto your hands, and work through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots, then do your stuff. Interesting. Interesting. I've never heard of this brand, The Good Stuff. Have you guys heard of it? Let's smell it. Ooh. Oh, wow. That smells really good. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. I know I've gotten this before and I haven't used it. It's the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. Yeah, it's a face scrub. I haven't used this. Maybe I'll use it. All right, we got some from Burt's Bees. This is the Enamel Care Fluoride Toothpaste in Mountain Mint. There it is. What is this? a chocolate bar? No, it's soap. This is the Schmitz. Can you tell I haven't filmed in a while? This is the cedarwood and juniper natural soap with charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand. Natural plant and mineral derived ingredients help neutralize odor, while woodsy cedarwood and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day long. I think I've heard of Schmitz before. I don't know what I've gotten from them, but I remember I pronounced it exactly like that when I talked about it before. All right, ooh, another thing from Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Maru, like Mork and Mindy. Nanu. You guys know what Mork and Mindy was? Comment down below and let me know. Yeah, this is the 2-minute magic mask. Ooh, fast absorbing. Wait. Oh, I'm reading the wrong one. Brazilian Maru and ethically sourced rose deliver a deep treatment that help visibly recharge color-treated hair with a boost of vibrancy and shine. Ooh, I'm excited to use this. I didn't know they had face masks. I mean, hair masks. Did I? Maybe I did. I don't know. I definitely think the Au Naturel box is a lot better than the beauty box. I am excited for everything actually, except for the bar soap. I'm probably not going to use the bar soap. I'm not really a bar soap person. But I will use the mask. I will use the, what is this? Toothpaste. Of course, I'm going to use the hand cream. I'm already using it. I love it so freaking much. This guy, you know, maybe I'll try it this time. I have gotten it, I want to say like a few times before in numerous boxes, but I haven't used it, so maybe this is the time to use it. I'm excited to try this because it smells really good. I want to look up what the good stuff is and see what else they have. Is that it? I think that's it, right? Yes, that's it. Okay, if you guys are interested in the Target beauty box, I will have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.